Today I'm going to be testing supposedly 925 silver ring, but it's a bit tricky. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the ring. Now, this ring got these three broken parts. They're not broken, they're just expandable and flexible right here. You can see. So there are two pieces of rubber that just inside there. On this side as well, and then it kind of goes into the ring here. And then on this side we have same thing. I already tested this ring. I've got kind of interesting results. So this piece right here, which is the main piece, let's call it the top of the ring here. This piece testing as silver, no problem at all. Well, except for these little leaves and stuff, all of that cannot be tested really underneath. But this side silver, this piece is silver, this piece right here, everything is silver. The leaves on the side, it's all tested as silver. However, these three pieces are interesting. So this one tested as silver. The scratch was done right here. Let me know if you can actually see in the video the scratch. Put it down in the comments below. This one right here also tested as silver, this piece. But this piece did not test as silver. So I was just thinking, when you're making this ring, are you like, so I'm gonna save a quarter gram on silver? Well, I mean, I guess you could, but then you gotta make, I don't know, you gotta make millions of these rings in order to really benefit from this little piece right here. So it's kind of interesting. We're gonna test all three pieces, actually all four. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then number 4 right here, and you're gonna see results for yourselves. Now, there's one more interesting thing here, which is if you pay attention right there, do you see there's a change in color? So I think there's some kind of a base metal here, and then it's maybe silver plated. So they took a trouble of silver plating this piece. So again, this one tested fine, although there is a change, and this one did, but the middle one, it's really interesting. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, the first mark we're gonna make is gonna be the main piece, which is this big one right here. And then I'm gonna go this piece, middle piece. Actually, it's the middle piece last, so it's very clear what it is. And then this piece on the side. Let's go ahead and do our first mark, the middle piece. I was pressing pretty hard, so we should have nice, good mark. Now let's move on to the piece on the left, which is this piece right here. We'll do that right now. Okay, there we go. Even right away you can notice, you see on the stone, this mark looks a little bit reddish to me. On the camera it may not go through, but it's a little bit red, which I would say there's a copper. This one also looks a little bit red. There is white and red in there. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the next piece, which is not the middle one, but the next piece on the right hand side. There we go. Believe it or not, so this piece on this side came out white. So this is whiter color. This is more like copper and white. This is copper and white, but this one is white, like literally white. And now let's do the middle piece, which is this piece right here. This piece right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, it's all done. Now let's take acid and apply it, the fun part. So again, I'm gonna be using 18 karat acid right here, and let's make our drops. Drop number 1, drop number 2, drop number 3, and drop number 4. So let's see. I'm definitely seeing blue right there. I am seeing blue right there. I am seeing lots of blue right there. And I do see a little bit of blue, not a lot on this one. Surprise, surprise. So there's still a little bit of silver there. This one is not, it's kind of disappearing. Oh no, it's still there, just different angle. This one clearly visible, this one clearly visible. So this was the main piece, this was the piece on the right, this was the piece on the left, and this was the piece, the middle piece at the bottom. Let me just spray this acid a little bit just so we can see. Is it gonna eat it away more? Yeah, let's see. Here we go. And this one, and this is 2, this one as well. Okay, this one you can see blue but barely visible. This one more visible. This one very visible. And this one similar to the first one, not so visible. So there we go, those are the results. Let me know if you like the test. Let me know if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, please ask, and I'll see you in the next one.